Yo guys, we are Slaughter to Prevail.
And if you want to learn how to sound like us, then take the mixing course with Egor Krotov.
Hey, my name is Egor Krotov, and today we're mixing Slaughter to Prevail. In this mixing course, I will show you how I mixed Behelit, and I will walk you through all the tracks of the session. I'll show you all my plugins, all my effects, and all my automation, every detail of the Slaughter to Prevail sound.
Not only can you watch Egor mixing the song for more than 3 hours and learn from him, you can also download the original multitracks and mix the song yourself. Upload your mix for a personal mix feedback from me, and the 2 best mixes will get some amazing prizes. Each one will get a stereo hardware compressor from Kohle Audio. Click the link below and join the Slaughter to Prevail mixing ritual.
I see you inside the cult.